Annyeonghaseyo, L'Oreal.
Annyeonghaseyo.
Okay, so earlier, Kim Suni gives you 2 bags of Chooks to go. And that is from Kim Suni.
Kim Young-samim, Annyeonghaseyo, kamsahamnida.
So please take video, okay? Thank you, kamsahamnida. Annyeonghaseyo. Okay, so earlier, Maayong Buntag ni gives us Chooks to go. So, 1 for teacher Marisa, receive. 1 for Rowena. 1 for Rowena ba? 1 for Rowena. 1 for me. And 2 bags of Chooks to go for Alona. And that is from my Maayong Buntag ni Annyeonghaseyo, kamsahamnida for the Chooks to go.
Maayong buntag dim, annyeonghaseyo, kamsahamnida for the Chooks to go. Happy birthday, guys! Hindi mo na birthday ka. Hindi mo itong kuhan? Ang kutsaraan? Magkaon na. Hindi na makakaon. Soy, common. Kutuwa ko na yung manok.
Kamsahamnida.
Sige lagi. Kamsahamnida. Stop na.
Maayong buntag ni Annyeonghaseyo. Thank you for the Chooks to go. Kamsahamnida.
Annyeonghaseyo. I'm Lori Mel, and thank you for this delicious food. Now we're going to eat. Kim Young-samim, annyeonghaseyo, kamsahamnida.
Annyeonghaseyo. So, I'm Teacher Jen of Saakdos, and I'm here with Honey and her mother. So, naka-follow up check-up na, Honey. So, today is Monday. Today is, earlier is her last follow-up check-up. So far, unsa man, kumusta man? Clear na. Okay, so, okay na, Honey. You don't have any chicken pox na. So far, iyahang, kuan, ana lang part. Okay, so, muna siya iyahang, that's kanang, like, mark of the chicken pox. Also at the back. Clear. Oh. So, it is already completely healed. So, and the eyes, so, oh, wala na yung red. Di ba naman mo yung eye drop, no?
2
eye drops and antibiotic. Okay. So, you are already cleared. Na-heal na ka. So, naayo na ka, no? So, the medicine is very expensive, but it is very effective. Kay, the chicken pox has not spread all over the body. So, wala siya ni daghan. It's not that much because the medicine is expensive. So, pila imong nadawat, Han? Sa kato imong medication. How much did you receive?
10,000.
10,000. And who gave you that? Kim Yong-sun Nim. Okay. So, unsa may imong ikasulti ni Kim Yong-sun Nim? What are you going to say?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Okay, yung sanay.
Okay.
For the financial.
For the financial help of the medication. So finally, you are already healed and you can study na at the study room. Yeah, the good thing pag yun, the chickenpox has not been spread all over your body, so it's not that much. Hi, the medicine is expensive. So this is the receipt of the 10,000. So all of the receipt was being stapled there, and we also have the copy of all the expenses. So I will gonna make a ledger on it, and I'll gonna pass it to Sir Vicky as well as to Kim Yong-sun Nim. Okay? So ikaw, mother, sorry, may kasulti.
Kanyo nga sa iyo, Kim Yong-sun Nim. Thank you so much sa iyo. Thank you kayo sa imong gihatag financial help ni Hani. Dako gid kay tabang, ilabi na sa iyang kuan, iyang mga vitamins, dako kay tabang sa iya. Din ang iyang mga tambal, labi na pud sa iyang mata. Dito nawala ka jud kay kuwato iyang mata, kabi na kung
You are worried about the eyes.
Thank you kayo. Grabe, dako kay kong pasalamat. Dako kay kong pasalamat sa tanang gihatag nimo namo. Wa ko nag-expect, wala mi nag-expect na madawat namo to. Dako kay mo pasalamat ato. Kay naulian gid si Hani. Naulian siya, nag-worry gid kay kuwato iyang kuan. Grabe na kong worry ato kay ang gihapag yung mata dito jud ko nag-worry gid sa iyang mata. Kay ang iyang mata makuan man ang uban pero ang mata lisod jud kay ko ano ng mata kay
Yes.
mabuta unsaon na lang.
Eyes is very important. So your mother is very worried when you had this redness on the eyes. Okay, you know eyes is very important for us to see, right? So yes, you are so grateful that someone is helping you for your medication. So unsa may imong ika-baws, you have to study hard, be a good girl always. You always follow instruction, mother's instruction, your parents' instruction, as well as your teacher's instruction. Then you have to study hard, okay? So be a good girl always. So thank you so much to the both of you, and congratulations. You're already healed and you don't have any sickness anymore. So yeah, thank you so much to Mactan Korea channel, as well as Kim Yong-sun Nim and all the sponsors who have helped. Kamsamnida. Kamsamnida.
Kamsamnida.
Bye.
Bye. Thank you so much.